Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am going to show how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. Firstly, check your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. Now I'm going to turn it off. Now tap on settings. After you tap on settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Tap on app management. Now start typing WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Now tap on storage uses and tap on clear cache. After you tap on clear cache, tap on your messages, tap on your profile. After you tap on your profile, tap on spam and block and check the messages. Now search for Gmail, tap on your Gmail, tap on the three line. Now scroll down, tap on spam. Now check over here your messages. If you still have any questions, comment down below.